Hi guys, in today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram account very short and simple. Just follow the steps and click on it. Firstly, you open any browser of your choice. I open Microsoft Edge. Then you type in Instagram. Create an account. Then click on it. It appears. After that, you click on the link which says sign in to Instagram. Then wait for a second, it comes. Then whether your email or your mobile number, you put it in. So I'm gonna put in my email. Now let me put in my email. Password, a very good password that will make your account very secure. So I'm gonna type in my password. And type Ismakojo. I'll choose my user number. Then make sure you accept every term and conditions. Then click the sign in. Since the password wants to type in the password again. Then click the sign in. Then choose your date of birth. It's 1972. Then click next. After next, it gives you a confirmation code, so you log into your email account. Let me log into my email account. Then I write the confirmation code just inside the space left for me. Some minutes. Then after it comes, and right here we have our code, and our code is to be 798452. It depends, they'll give you a different code. 798452. Then click on the next. Oh, it seems I didn't get a code, but okay, there was a 9. 79. If you didn't get a code, you can choose to click the link that says resend code, and then the code will resend to your email address. Then it processes here. Then your Instagram account is clearly and vigilantly created. Now you can chat, you can snap, everything you want to do. You can make video calls and every stuff on this Instagram page. Just click onto it, and Instagram is very easy and interesting for you. You can add new friends. You can request to follow other friends. Here is it. You can add friends to your account. This Kylian Mbappe, you can add them, all of them, to your account. Then click next, and you're good to go. After, you can create profile picture for your email. You can choose avatars or any picture of your choice for the email. Now we have everything streaming right here on your Instagram page. This is very simple and short. Beloved, kindly remember to subscribe to my channel so that I'll bring out many things for you to study, for you to be guided through. I love you a lot. Please kindly subscribe. My knees are on the floor. I'm begging you, kindly subscribe to this channel. God bless you.